Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to my January 1, 2026 brain noise. Sabah. It's January 1. What do I expect? People will really make some noise because it's welcoming the first day of the year. The update of my health situation right now, I still haven't gone to see a doctor. My feeling is a little bit okay than the first day I got sick. Um, I can sleep now. Like, oh, I can sleep now. I can like lay down, like do like this position. Oh my god. Oh, I have a friend in my house. Um, Someone's crying. Anyway, um, I still haven't gone to see a doctor. Well, that's how Filipino household, like the traditional one, or like no money, like the old people who hasn't got any easy access to medicine or like hospitals. They usually resort resort to um old kind of medicine, or like they will go to some people like they called healer, or like they can quack doctors like that. Yeah, I only went there to see, and they said that I just, as long as I don't drink or eat something cold. But I did, only a little, because it's New Year. There's so many food that are yummy to eat. But anyway, the only thing I'm most concerned about, it's I get dizzy, and it seems like my strength hasn't gotten back to normal yet. And yeah, I cannot lift something heavy, just light things, but only this one. And yeah, at 4 p.m. today, there was a mass. Supposedly, I plan to go because it's the first day of the year, and it's good too. Hmm, But I can't because my sister said I might get dizzy there. So it's better to stay at home. But oh my god, I stayed at home and just do something on my phone, and it's not good. And here, oh, by the way, every day for 4 days now, or five? No, 3 days. Instead of bathing in water. Oh my god, where's the mosquito? There's a mosquito. Oh, where, where are they at? Uh, Instead of bathing in water, I am bathing with this. Oh, I think I've shown you this yesterday. Yeah, it's my friend, best friend as of the moment. It's Gabon oil. They said it's good for my, you know, uh, aches, body aches, muscle pains. Oh, body pains. I'm quite dizzy now. I moved my head. I think I need to take a nap. I think I got I am dizzy most of the time today. Oh my god, I wish I could go back to teaching tomorrow. I have many classes tomorrow. Wait a minute. Let me see. Lord, please let me be able to teach tomorrow. I cannot with the penalties. Yes, if I'm going to cancel my classes, I will pay money. Oh my god, I have one, two, three, four, five, 11 classes for tomorrow. Four. I have so many classes. Why don't you cancel, guys? I want to rest. I just want to sleep. But I have to work. If I don't work, I don't have money. Oh my god, Lord. You know what's funny? Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. Oh, there are already lucky draw winners, but I'm not one of them because I'm not really mm, lucky when it comes to. I'm not really lucky when it comes to. 2000? Wow, what the heck? They've got 2000? Oh my god. Who are they? Oh my god, someone won 2000 and it's so big money. Hmm. Oh, okay. I forgot. Just recently, I love scrolling TikTok. Aside from watching Chinese dramas, I really love to scroll videos on TikTok to pass my time, to pass hours of my time. Supposedly, it should be. Oh my god. Ouch. Stay put. Okay. Yes, I was scrolling on TikTok and I've seen a lot of relationship videos, especially armies. And I kind of, the partners of mm, the trainees or like people who was about to enter before entering the police organization or like army or something, they need to go through an intense 6 months training without contact to the outside world or to their family. Well, like, oh, I will wait for you for 6 months. This message for me before going to the training, or something like that. I was like, oh, I think I want to have one. It's like I have the urge to have one for myself. Well, how is it like to have a partner of your own? Someone I can share my inner thoughts to? Well, just hope. Well, I'm looking for a relationship wherein I can be myself. I can be at peace. It will make myself grow. Unfortunately, I'm always staying at home and always sick. I have classes, so I cannot go out and socialize. Well, I don't know what's the plan of the Lord God for me. Yeah, it's 10 minutes now. But yeah, that's it. The wrap up or like the summary. I'm still not well. It's already 4 days, but I'm getting better, I guess. I just hope that I will be well enough to have classes tomorrow. I'm just, the most concerning thing. It's me getting dizzy. Well, according to ChatGPT, maybe it's about anxiety or stress or something. How can I be not stressed? I'm trying not to be. This mind is just so annoying. That's it. Thank you for today. See you next time. Bye.